Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, I'm Rick. Today we're going to make Fool's Gold, Elvis Presley's favourite sandwich. We're going to make it on a smaller version. Now Elvis used to have 1 pound loaf bread, a pound of bacon, a whole jar of peanut butter and a whole jar of blueberry preserves all in one sandwich. Now come on, we don't have to do that to enjoy a Fool's Gold. We can go a bit smaller, have exactly the same content, change it up a little bit and have the perfect heart attack Fool's Gold sandwich. Let's show you how to make this. Right guys, just going to start with some bacon, but we have blueberry preserves, we have peanut butter and we have half of a baguette. So guys, on with the flame. There we go. In with our bacon, and what we need to do actually is just break it up a little bit, help it cook through. Now this is not going to take very long to cook because the bacon in Thailand is terrible to say the least. Okay, so there's our bacon. Now guys, what we want to do, we actually want to use the fat from this bacon as well. This is where I'm going to change it up a little bit to make it a super heart attack sandwich. But you know, in my opinion, I think it actually needs this. And it takes away that complete dryness of trying to eat peanut butter on both sides of the bread. That's a very, very, very simple recipe. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our half baguette and we're going to cut it in half. So there's our half baguette. Give our bacon a little stir around. Now we want some bacon fat from this. Now if it looks like it's not going to be enough fat, we'll have to put just a little bit of oil in to help it along its way. So we're going to put a little bit of oil in there, not much, just to help this bacon on its way. Now we need to put a little bit of colour on all this bacon. You know, we want it a little bit crispy. We don't want it to go too crispy that it's all crunchy, but we want a little bit of crisp in there. Now a lot of places what they do, they toast the bread, you know, and then cut it. I'm going to do it a slightly different way. When this bacon is cooked, we're going to take the bacon out and then we're going to dip the bread. Okay guys, that's our bacon cooked. We need to get our bacon out of there. Just put it on something to rest. Now, this is the heart attack material. Get your bread, in it goes. And what we're going to do, we're going to soak up all that bacon fat in there and we're going to toast the bread. Now this is real serious heart attack sandwich, but you know, it tastes absolutely fantastic, and if you only eat it once, it's worthwhile. Right, oh, a bit of toasty on there. There we go. Flip it over, a little bit of a toasty on the other side. And you can see that fat that's soaked into that bread. Absolutely awesome. You know, they're going to be the critics out there. No, you don't eat it. Heart attack. We know that. So we only eat it once every now and again. You know, we're not running away to eat this every single day. Okay. Flame off, bread out, and put it on our board. So then we can start to assemble our sandwich. Oh, so there we are guys. Peanut butter, a good dollop of peanut butter on there. Oh. Just look at that. And then we want a good dollop of peanut butter on the bottom one. Oh. There we go. Peanut butter. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to put our blueberry preserve on there. Now again, it's a massive dollop of blueberry preserve on the bottom. So put your blueberry preserve on there. Now this is one heck of a messy sandwich, I can tell you right now. You know, when you eat this blueberry preserve is gonna squirt out all over. And then what we're gonna do, guys, we're going to layer up with our bacon. So get our bacon on there. Now don't be shy. You know, this is one of the main ingredients. And we're gonna make this a real Elvis Presley proud sandwich. Now that is one heck of a lot of bacon. Oh, there we go, guys. And then we top it with our peanut butter top. Just look at that. Now that is amazing. Oh, look at that messy sandwich. Oh. Oh. Oh, my mouth. That, guys, you know, you wouldn't think it'd work. The peanut butter, the blueberry preserve, and the bacon, the smokiness of the bacon all the way through that with the peanut butter. So you got the taste of the nuts, the peanuts, and you got the sweetness of the blueberry preserve. Oh, and the smokiness of the bacon. Oh. That. Guys. Oh, guys, fool's gold. Oh. Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich, and you know, I did it my way. Oh, that is amazing. Now it's as messy as heck, guys, but it's good finger licking stuff. Now, excuse me, all of them are mush. If you like what we're doing and you would like to subscribe, that would be amazing. Till next time, take care.